A teacher gave a test to a class in which 10% of the students are juniors and 90% are seniors. How would you represent this? When you do not know how many there are, but they give you in percentage. So the way to do this is you can say 10n and 90n. Okay? Or you could have said 0.1n, where n stands for the entire student body. It actually doesn't matter. You could keep it this way. So, but you got to keep in mind that 10n is the number of juniors and 90n is number of seniors. Okay? The average score on the test was 84. This is 84. So here on the upper part, you will have a total score of everybody, and underneath you would have the total number of students, which we have here. Okay, so what was the score anyway, each? The juniors all received the same score. Great, we don't know what they got, but they received the same score. So what was the total score contributed by the juniors? We don't know, but there were 10n of them, so you multiply them. This is the total score contributed by the juniors. Okay, what about the seniors? The average score of the senior was 83. We don't know how much they got each, but average was 83, so therefore, if you multiply the average score with total number of students who took the test, then you would get the total score. So that's what we get. What score did each of the juniors receive? They all received the same score, so all I gotta do is find x, but I hope you are bothered by this. I have one equation, right? And you see two variables. This should bother you. You cannot solve two variables with one equation unless one variable disappears on you. N has to disappear, and it's promising. See, n, it will disappear. Let me show you. So let me clean this up. What do we get? Bottom is very easy to clean up. It's 100n. Nothing more you can do. What about the top? I can factor with 10n, right? What do I have? X plus 83 times 9 is what I got. Okay, 10n happily goes away with 10n and leaves me 10 on the bottom. So that's x plus 83 times 9. I'm not multiplying this, hoping that I can get a break of some sort. It equals 84. Okay, so now I'm solving this equation here. Shall we multiply 10 on both sides? So you get x plus 83 times that point equals 840. So x is 840 minus 83 times 9. Does that help me any? Do I have to multiply this? Look, multiplying by 9 is hard. So can I get lazy somehow? Well, this is, let me see. This is 83 times 10. That will give me 830 plus 10 minus 83 times 9. So let me come here. So x is equal to, let me subtract these two. If I factor with 83, it's 10 minus 9. Then I'm having extra 10. So this is 83, because this is 1 here, plus 10, which is 93. So the answer must be 93.